Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of memory low on the application of Gmail. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we will search for Gmail. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. You will go here to storage. You will click on clear cache. You will click on this sign to turn on your airplane mode, and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.